and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the 300 SL. Yes, the Mercedes, and as you can see right there, we've got a massive part here, which is the part of the chassis and two more parts that we're going to put together. But we're going to start with the engine, and I'm going to not do all of them in one video, but I'll cut them up into different parts. So let's start with and stage 11 is the engine fan, so let's get to it. Let's see what we have right there. So these are the parts, and we've got some CM screws, so let's get the tweezers out as well, and a screwdriver, which is my PH00 screwdriver. Get that engine in and see where we're going to put that. And when you're holding things like this now, be very careful because it's very fragile and you don't want to stuff that up. I'm going to put it on that one, and there's a little key-shaped pattern right there. So they're going to put it there until it falls in properly. And we're going to put that one, no, I think that one with the pins in it, that one with the pins over it. And then we're going to put a CM in there with a little bit of oil on the tip of the screw. There we go. That's the first part. And there's that little pin that comes out that goes right into that little thing there. And you push it in, then we put those two together like so. So we put that one over that one and put that over, and then we need a long necked screwdriver because we're going to put a CM in there. Damn, I've broken one of those things again. Need to be very careful with that. I hope we're not doing anything with it anymore after this. Not on that side. We're turning it around because we're going to put that pulley over these parts now without touching those golden pipes. Okay, and that one is on as well, as you can see right there. So we're going to put that right there for a moment. And these are oil lines and high pressure oil lines that we're going to put together. We get a screwdriver again, and these are too small for me, so I don't use them. These are the parts. I'm touching that thing again and again and again. First one, and I'm gonna start the top camera because that's, I think, the easiest to do. First one is one that goes from that point to that point, and that is the one with the little kink in it, so that one. So we're pushing it in right there, so it's this one from right there to right there. That's the first one. Let's see where the second one goes. That's on this side as well, from, I don't know which one that is. Looks like to be that one. From that point to that point. Okay, that one's in. Took a lot of pushing. Okay, I put them in the wrong way around. That little thing that you have at the end right there, that was supposed to be going in there, and I was pushing it in that side and it wouldn't go in, so explains all. And then we're going to the other side without breaking anything. This silver long thing goes in right there, all the way into that point there. That stays there. We're going to get that one out. So we're going to put those two together. Push them down like so, and then taking out a SM screw. As you can see, what I'm doing here is pushing it down on that part and then screwing it in from the other side. That's the easiest way to do it at the moment. We're screwing in SM screws, and we're not screwing it in all the way because we're gonna use those to put them onto these parts. Like so. That's the first one that we put together, and then we put another one on that one, SM as well. And keep a little bit of a distance there. I'm doing it on the wrong one. This one cannot be closed up all the way. I'll show you why. It stays in like that just fine. Then we're gonna put that one on top of it. Let me see. Like so. And putting MMs in. Wobble check. And as you saw, nothing to wobble. Nothing to wobble there either. And we're going to get the engine out again. We're going to put it on like so. Right there. And as you can see right there, we're going to screw that together with another MM. There we go. That's on as well. And that's what I thought. So we're going to put that one on then. That one is going to go over like so. And we're going to put 2 more MMs in there. And that's 2. And that's all we have for this stage. Have a look at that. We put those pipes in right there. We put them in right there and there. And I broke one of them off, which will be a fix later on, depending on whether or not I'm going to put that engine on the chassis. But I think we've got space for me to move. And otherwise, let's see if I can do it right now. So let's not do that, and I'll fix it in another time. But thank you very much for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and have a look at that engine that is right there. I really hope that you will join me next time on any of my builds, maybe this continuing or that, or any ones that you see on my channel. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.